Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by powering the surface down and unplugging everything. This prevents current flow into the battery. Next, flip the unit and remove the visible torque screws. Keep them organized by location. Once screws are out, use a plastic pry to separate the bottom panel slowly. Don't force it. You're opening to access the internal connector, not to detach components yet. Take your time because small tabs hold the case. If you rush, you'll break clips and complicate reassembly. Once the bottom is off, locate the battery and its ribbon connector near the board edge. This is the critical disconnect point. You'll open the tiny latch on the connector with a spudger or fingernail. Lift, don't pry, and pull the ribbon straight out to avoid tearing. After disconnecting, remove any screws or adhesive tabs securing the battery cells to the frame. You're isolating the battery electrically and mechanically. That's why you disconnect first, then free the pack for removal. With the connector open and fasteners removed, lift the battery out slowly. Support each cell and avoid bending or compressing it because punctures risk fire. If you're replacing it, seat the new pack, secure screws or adhesive, and reconnect the ribbon, ensuring the latch fully closes. Once reassembled, power on to verify operation. If it doesn't boot, make sure the connector is fully seated, screws aren't over-tightened, and no cables were pinched during reassembly. That single check fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.